Hello everyone, you're watching EngLanGo and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with one of the interesting and important topic today. The topic that I am going to describe today is about present perfect continuous tense. Majority of you might have listened about the present perfect continuous tense. Today we are going to know about the tense. What is it used for? What is the structure of it and what are the different usages? Dear all, you may or may not know that present perfect continuous tense is used to show an action which is happening or which has started. It emphasizes on the duration of an action which has started in the past and continue in the present. It may or may not go to the future. For example, she has been working since morning. They have been practicing cricket for 3 years. It means still they are practicing. She has been studying English for 3 years. It means 1 year is remaining. और अभी भी वो पढ़ रही है. Now that is the thing that is the situation in which we are using present perfect continuous tense. The another usages of the present perfect continuous tense is that we are going to use it for an action which is happening temporary rather than permanent. जो permanent नहीं हो रहा but temporary हो रहा हो. For example, she has been working in her office overtime for 3 hours. It means office में कुछ काम बाकी है. That's why she is now working overtime. Or we are saying that they have been working from last 12 hours. वैसे तो 8 घंटे का जॉब है लेकिन they are working 4 hours more only to complete the project on time. So describing such temporary actions rather than permanent, we are using present perfect continuous for it. जब ऐसे situation हो, then we are using present perfect continuous tense for it. We are also using the third usage of it. We are using the present perfect continuous tense when we are talking about demands, when we are going for irritation, we describe an action which is annoying type of action, which is when we are describing anger, etc. We are using present perfect continuous tense for it too. For example, who has been wearing my coat? It's a warning that you're giving. Who has been wearing my coat? You're asking. And that is something you want to know, demand the information about things. And besides that, we are saying that why she has been crying. Why she has been crying. Or why have you been to XYZ's home or Alex's home. That's how you are describing present perfect continuous tense, and these are the situations that you have to use present perfect continuous tense. Now they're all in present perfect continuous tense. We usually use since and for. Since is used for an action that you are going to describe it with the specific point of time. Like for example, morning, from school, since school XYZ, since primary school XYZ. But when you are going to bring number, before that you have to use for, not since. For example, she has been studying English for 3 years. It doesn't mean that for is used for an action which is completed. No, it is used for the specific action which is still continue, but after for you need to use number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, you have to say then, or several years, you have to use for time expression there. What is the structure for it? The positive structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus he, she, it. These are subject plus have been and has been plus ing form of the verb plus object or complement. That is the positive structure of it. The negative structure of it is subject, he, she, it, we, you, they, plus has been and have been with singular subject, third person we are using has been. With the rest we are using have been. Plus not plus ing, she have not been. So have not, has not plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. That is the structure. Many students are committing mistake and they are saying that they have been not, which is wrong. ये गलत है. आपने बोलना है they have not been. She has not been studying from since morning. They have not been preparing themselves for 3 years. That's how you are describing things in the negative statements in present perfect continuous tense. इसी तरह आप जब describe करते हैं interrogative statements को, then you are bringing have or has before the subject, and the rest of the structure is going to be same, but there must be question mark. For example, have you been working since 3 years? Since morning. Have you been working in this organization for 4 years? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. That will be the answer of yes, no question or interrogative statements. Dear all, if there is any query in this topic, you are most welcome to ask me in the comment box. And you need to practice it more. Present perfect continuous tense is a bit advanced level of tense. So it's a good idea to practice it more. Thank you so much for now. Have a great time. Take care of yourself.